Okay, so for the think about it, let's see what they're asking us to do. It says graph both equations and explain what you notice on the next slide. All right, so I have two lines. So over here, I'll do my first line. We always start with the y-intercept. For the first line, it's -1. So let's put the -1 on the graph. And then our slope, we need to write it as a fraction. So we're going to make it 2 over 1. That means go up 2 and to the right 1. So start from that y-intercept and go up 1, 2, to the right 1, put a point, do it again. And I'm just going to add a bunch of points. So now I can connect it. Make sure your lines are long and have arrows. Now for the second graph, we do want to put this one in a different color just so they stand out and we can see our work easily. So for the second function, our y-intercept is +9, so that's way up here. And then my slope as a fraction is -3 over 1. So I'm going down for 3 and right for 1. Remember, it's down and right, not down and left. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, to the right 1, put a point, 1, 2, 3, 1, put a point, 1, 2, 3, 1, put a point, connect it. So here I have both of these lines graphed. And what do I notice? Well, the thing that stands out to me is that these lines intersect right here at the point 2, 3. So on this slide, I'm just going to write, I notice that the lines intersect at 2, 3. And that is it.